Hey, what's up now? I got a whole bunch of people on Twitter hit me up at Buffet Jackson or at Iquel. Been hitting me up with questions, asking me when am I going to do the apple cider vinegar baking soda challenge. Now, I never heard of it, so I had to look it up. What it is you take a teaspoon of baking soda, try to swallow it. While you're trying to swallow it, you take a shot of apple cider vinegar, and you're supposed to be able to hold it down. So we're going to attempt this right now. Now, I'm going to try not to throw up since I've been getting so much shit about how I throw up. But I got a weak stomach. You don't understand. It's weak.
Daddy, you better don't.
Hope you guys like the shirt. Do you like fat black men? I'm thinking about putting some up online for sale. This is my custom shirt, but I don't mind the ladies wearing it. All right, so I got the baking soda right here. And how you going to spill the shit?
Because you got less than I did.
Oh, whatever. So, first, baking soda. Then, fuck that shit.
Yeah, my mouth is all salty.
Yeah. Wait till you're about 22 to be salty for real. That's an inside joke. No, that was easy. You can't hold it down. It's a chemical reaction. So stop sending me bullshit ass stuff to do. Send me something hard. I'll do something else. But thanks for watching. Subscribe Buffet Jackson TV or subscribe. What's your channel?
Iquel TV.
All right, guys, keep it up. Did it get a good?
How do I pause this shit?
Hit stop record again. Yes.
Hey, where's my spoon at?
She dropped it.
Send me names.
I want to see what it really looks like.
Loosen it. Somebody drop yours. Come over here, please. Get on. I don't.
A bad idea.
Jordy.
Do the water.
I'm the host tonight.
Fuck. Oh, forgot that shit.